Hi, my name is Jared Simpson. I'm here with MarineMax in Boston. And today we're aboard a 2014 Sea Ray 410 Sundancer. This boat was recently traded in for a new Sea Ray, and it was sold here new in MarineMax. It's been serviced here since day one. It's been very well maintained. It's powered with a pair of Zeus 380 horsepower Cummins diesels with joystick piloting, skyhook. Very easy to maneuver, very easy to run as an owner-operator. The boat has the upgraded teak decks here in the cockpit. There's the electric grill, which is an option. Below that, we have a stainless steel refrigerator. The boat also has a cockpit TV that fits in this stand right here. Plenty of seating. It's also climate controlled, so the entire cockpit is heat and air conditioning. This is the upgraded high gloss teak table cover. Or we have Raymarine hybrid touch system, GPS chart plotter, depth finder. Also has an open array radar. Remote control spotlight, vents forward here in the windshield. And if you move down below, the unique thing about this boat for a 41 is that it's a two-head layout. So off to your port side, you have your day head for your guests and use during the day. Throughout the boat, you'll see that it has the hardwood flooring option. There's a walnut matte finish interior. Nice mid-cabin berth that also converts into a dining area. Your power panel is easy to access, and your battery switch is here. It's very well laid out. Nice hull side windows, so you don't feel so enclosed when you're down below. Forward, you have your master stateroom. The bed is on an electric actuator, so you can incline the bed, watch TV, and then you have a separate head compartment and a separate stall shower in this boat for the owners. This is a great example of a well-maintained, clean Sea Ray. If you're in the market for an express cruiser, give us a call. My number is 781-727-0629. Look forward to hearing from you.